Good evening, welcome to a day in the life with ALTON. So yes, today we now we are shoot a new movie. Mr. Pum Pum. Yeah, that's it is. That is it. So yeah, that's what we're working on now. So we just shoot a scene and we see what I go on. So thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for the likes, the shares, comments. You understand? Yes. I'm just want to big up all who has been subscribing, sharing up the video. You understand? We are putting in work. You understand? Things not too boss system here. Still I try to get a phone. And yeah. And birthday I come up in January. So the wish list I got it in the description for those who wish to send a gift to me for my birthday. January 4. You understand? Yeah, so you know you see what I want? The BTS, Mr. Pum Pum.
I am not staying with you, you're workless. Give me my suitcase.
So
Push up.
After all these years
Push
and
up,
all
give me
these
my
things, you're going to tell me something what this sister
Push up,
boy?
leave me alone.
Sister boy.
You can't go and go buy all of the front where you want to buy.
Sister boy, no make nobody tell us. No, sister boy.
Push up, leave me alone.
No, man, no,
Leave me
man.
alone.
Listen, sister boy. Stop no, man. Stop no. Listen, please, sister boy. Sister boy, look, no. Look, man,
Push up.
please, man. Look, no.
Push up, let go.
Left your bag, man. No, man, left your bag, man.
Push up.
No, sister boy, man. No, man, left.
Let it go. Let it go.
Sister boy, you really are doing with this, sister boy. Then I say, I behave. Sister boy, look no, man. Stop no, man. Stop no.
£300. Yeah, my baby girl. £300 for you. Alright, next time. Alright. £200 for you. 200.
Yo. What? I tell her say, you just not trust sister boy, you know. You don't trust her.
Yeah. Where's this other?
I know say she have some man, brother.
Well, you know nothing about that.
Yo. You didn't call flower bag.
Yeah, man, I'm in the car floor, but I walk.
You know, say, it's a bicycle, me see the eye sell and I would want. I like it, you know. How much for it?
Price the funny.
Yeah, but how much for it?
Let me know much things. You see price.
Let's talk. How much piece something, man?
Me not have to tell her the price the funny.
Just tell me how much for it buy bicycle.
But I'll take too long. 15,000. It
15,000.
look like you can't read.
15,000.
Yes.
And I best price that there.
Yeah, best. You know, see signs the Black Friday sale. All the rest of them sell out. I cheap. This
A 15,000.
Yeah, what? Yeah, what? Me not
I realize that 15,000.
yeah, what go on? Me not have 15,000 still now. But me like the bicycle. You understand?
Yeah.
I'm interested in it. And me don't want to just keep it for me. Me hustle up the money and carry it.
I don't know about that, you know, because if somebody come and give me $15,000 in my hand, I'm gonna sell it.
Yeah, me I say, no, man. Just be nice, man. You don't know me already, you know. I know say a bush of my name.
I don't know yourself.
Say you don't know me.
No.
You're not gonna know me, man, cause you say fee mother. But make it stand. Yeah, well, just hold on for a 1,000 for me. As a little down payment. Here. I hustle up the rest of it in the next 20 and carry it.
Alright, since you want to buy give it 2 wheels for free, yeah?
I say I get the 2-wheel for free.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so good see you, you know.
A Black Friday sale.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. But yo, just yeah, man. Put on your sign. Put on your.
So where I go this side?
No, man. Put on your sign, man. What? Yeah, me I say no. Don't sell it, you know.
But I sell you, man. I just put up the sign.
All right, yo, come in, man.
But if you want to buy side, you can buy side, you know.
Briggy, come on, now, Briggy, man.
Because you look like you want to buy.
It's a good little bicycle, man. Cause watch out, man. We can use a little bicycle and turn over and make money, you know. You understand? We can even sell little ice cream on it.
Picnic go school.
Yeah, man. We can even ride the car work too. Why they call me Punanny? Think my mother did tell me say, my father did must love Punanny. All he talk about is Punanny and dream about Punanny. But he couldn't read. Maxie. Oh, what go on the bush? Well, I'm there. You know, say it's a little thing I can check about. Well, I don't know where you stay now. Come on, let me chat to you. No, man, I come. You want to know, say? I see one little bicycle I want, and I'm short on funds. I don't know where you stay now. You say you can lend me?
Aye. I tell you the truth, you know, Busha. Last time, I lent up some money, and I'm not get it back from you, know.
No, man, I true one little thing that come up, man. You don't know how you park business. Sometimes you don't really get no passengers to load. You understand? So, where we get what, man? Them just like my man.
Alright, so you hear me good. I don't really have, how much you bicycle?
You know, say, yo, I did how much you bicycle again?
15,000.
15,000, how much?
Alright, yo, I don't have 15,000, you know, but I have $4,000. I did it full, my gas.
4,000?
Yeah, I did my stove gas done, and I did it fully.
Yeah, man, how you get it back? Because I want to use the bicycle and even try to sell some little ice cream or something about the place. Yo, at 15,000 I may get 4 and how much more it go on? talk up.
Lev.
You want to say it out? No, man, about 11,000, but. Alright, me try and also it.
Alright, so
Yeah.
remember selling million boss.
Yeah, man, no worry yourself, man. Here we get it back.
Alright,
Here we get it back, man. Come watch you now. We want to go on a little vacation. Me and sister boy, you know, because she have a little thing there where more her birthday come up and more bring her up on a little thing more. Go on a little vacation. You understand?
Alright,
So
do you do?
cool out, I want hotel book, stay 2 nights or 3 nights. Me and her can drink some pina colada or something. Some financial, something, you understand?
Alright.
Yeah. So,
Onion there, Irish there, carrot there, farm. There, me there, onion there, Irish there, carrot there.
That's my friend.
Why pray?
I'm 2 bills now.
Oh, 5 bills.
That's some change.
Get some shit.
You know, I'm going to get lettuce from you.
Yeah, man, no problem. At 700 a pound.
7 bills.
Yeah,
When me and your friend.
yeah, man.
Look at something now.
Worry yourself, man. We can give you all 6.
Alright. Now come back with the money still.
Yeah, that's a 5,
That's how much.
7, 8, 950. 1,000. Where the next one? Where you thought? 8,000.
alright.
Alright, thanks. I still come back feel like this, you know?
Yeah, man, no problem, man.
Alright.
Farm there. Onion there, Irish there. Cucumber there, everything there. Farm there. Me Irish cucumber, lettuce, pop chai there. Sweetie, browning. I'm selling something now. No one Nurse, no one nothing today. Pot up. I'm selling something now. Come on the farm here. Well, you don't want nothing today. Got a little pop chai and lettuce me have. Right aside there.
Yo, Jerry, come on now, Jerry. So we never there go link joke. Remember we not do all that money yet?
No, man, we have to go work, man. Come on, man, we have to go work, man. Because you don't know one more. You have to catch a little early bird, you know. You have to catch an early bird, because you don't know how your part business go.
Wine there, everything there. Melon, a sugar. Me there. Why pray? You good? All right, me there. Awe, Lexi there. Lexi come in.
Eh?
You have money, man. After. Yeah.
Barney!
What go on?
You know, say, me there. Are you make a link, you know?
Me?
Yeah, man.
Can't give me money.
But you know, say, me not so bossy, but I can link still, because I got you know.
Me?
But you know, man, me buy one bicycle, you know, but
Mm.
I just want to get some wheel feet and something. You see
You
me?
want 2 weeks.
Yeah, man, I want 2 wheel, man. I want money me can save, me can borrow from you, man. But me give it back, man. Because hustle, more hustle, you know, man.
Oh. I have bills.
No, man, I know $100 can't help me, man. I know $100.
$100.
A 2 wheel, man. 2 brand new wheel, man, I get, man. And plus with the rim and something.
We will find that.
Eh?
We will find that.
Then me not just come and say account money, put the money in your pocket,
Me?
man. Barnett, man. Nobody with it, man. Nobody.
No, sir. I have $100 me have for a month, you know, say. And mom's give me a tell me say me can't go buy a drink today.
Barnett.
Eh?
Just see you with the money, man. Nobody with it, man. Watch out, man. See have the money in your pocket, the Barnett, man. Me and friend, you know, man. Nobody deal with me, sir.
Money, I thought. Oh.
See have the money in your pocket, man. Nobody deal
No,
with
man,
me,
no, man,
sir.
see that I want a piece of board.
No, man. See you put the money in
No,
your
man,
pocket,
I'm a phone this, man. I'm a phone, man.
No,
My
then
phone
the
I
money-
mash up, man. You see,
then
they
the
watch
money
it.
this, then the
No,
money
man, I
this,
be a
man.
paper, man. No.
See money them.
Oh, gosh, watch out. You know, say, God, hey, God, God good enough?
Yeah, man.
Watch out, no,
Yeah, man.
sir. This one is not good, man. This is a fake.
No, man. Watch out now.
It's a
Then take
fake,
them down, man. You will get back the money, man.
Eh?
You will get it back, man.
Eh,
You will get it back.
When may I get it back?
As soon as me get the wheel and something.
When. I only money me having. You see, me just finding in my pocket, man. Oh God,
Me
man.
have a little partner come up.
Mm.
Me have a little partner come up.
When I look tomorrow.
Eh? No man, tomorrow Sunday.
Sunday.
Sunday partner.
So
pay.
so today Saturday. I get it tomorrow. You know what? I hide me, no man. Coming by last time, I hide me, no.
No man, watch out, man.
Hey, yo.
You get it
Me
back.
not like your style, you know, man.
Watch out,
I
man.
like your
Man. Me and
style,
friend,
no,
man.
man.
Nobody try load up a thing, man. Just give me a thing.
Alright,
man.
me I'll give you half.
No man, just give me. No man,
Me
nobody
tear
teary.
now.
Nobody out teary for.
Me gonna give you half.
No man, just give me everything, man. Me we get it back, man. Me a man, I'm
not trust you, man.
I'm a man of my word. I'm a man of my word.
And that,
I'm a man of
I
my
word alone.
Watch out, man. Me even want buy the bicycle. Cause me want car. Miss boy go a nigga to go.
Full of
Go
story.
on the beach, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
Cause me say have some kind of drink or some pina colada and then something me I miss Joyce. You see me? Me I miss boy. A long time me and her there, you know.
Yeah. Lower out to you, man.
No man. Watch out,
Yo,
man.
I can't trust them, you know.
You know say you're right, boy. Cause you know say Miss Boy have some man. Cause other day me search her phone this morning, you know. And you know say she have one man down at Digicel there.
See, they may
She have one
tell
man
you,
down at
man.
Digicel there, you know.
Me I tell you, you know.
Am I false? Cause you know, she me always a give her problem, you know. Me always a give her problem with Miss Jennifer on the road there.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so me understand. But she have one little man down there. Just give me money, man.
I get it back.
Yeah, we get to that.
You make me nervous, though, man. Jesus Christ.
Bonnet, man, a friend, you know.
100. You want the 100?
Bonnet.
Yeah, give 100, you know.
Bonnet, you know
Remember,
remember?
say this, I never know, say in my pocket, man. Oh,
Bonnet,
God, man.
Bonnet, you know remember all the time when
Right.
a little boy, man, when they never saw some muscle up, man. And me show yourself you exercise, brother. Just give me money, brother, and something, man, and just,
You
man.
can't get this at two, brother, man. Oh, God, man.
watch out, Bonnet, then we get it back, man. Look, come on. Don't worry yourself. You hear?
I check it tomorrow, you know.
Alright. Link me next Sunday from today.
Tomorrow, you know, man.
No, man, the next Sunday, man.
Oh, man, yo. Boy, I ain't catching it today.
Alright, now I feel like me have as much money, you know.
Watch out.
A little bit of money me have, man. Me just link Winston around the road there and borrow her money for me. You see me? You know the money for him. Yeah?
Let me see much out. No.
Just get that money from him. Man.
How much?
1, 3.
Let me count.
Yeah, go on. I'm gonna take no. One. How much that?
Shot.
How much?
Shot. You want 2
How much? How much? 30. So just let me have money just out of where I have man. Me get back. 2,000. Just let me 3,000 man. Just let me 3.
Yeah, 2,000 you want.
Just let me money so man so we can just get the bicycle man. Cause you know, we want to use the bicycle so we can make our money, you know. You understand? Cause more invest in a little business and something. Do some ice cream or something. Sell some.
Can I repeat then go school?
Yeah man, we can carry all the pick them go school too. So just let me money man, then we get it back.
Yeah, man, give you.
Yeah, we get it back, man.
Yes, man.
You understand?
But not like this.
Yeah, man, we get it back, man. So, and me don't want nobody to ride the bicycle still. When we buy, you know.
I feel bicycle, man. I'm here. I protect it, man. I'll Benz and trade like Benz. It all a name.
Yeah, man. Cause you don't know you go. Somebody can't sleep, man. I just can't sleep. Flower bag, wake up, man.
The man sleep on the job.
You know, say a bicycle come from. Give me money there. You want to come feet, man. Tell us I'm serious, man.
You say we can't check. Hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much that?
4.
5, 6,
What do you mean 6? This a 500.
6.
Watch out, man.
7.
Just give man the money, man. Make a man count it, no, man.
8, 9, 10.
Yo, cause watch out, man. Just give man the money.
No. Put on the bicycle. When he don't count, you can't take up the bicycle.
Yo, flower bag. Me never disrespect you, no, man. I'm money me I spend in a flower bag.
So I know my bicycle. And my business is a 15.
Alright, yeah, man. Come to you, man. Me all buy a juice in a flower bag, but you just disrespect me in a flower bag. Flower bag, you can't disrespect me, no, man. But where say this is good?
Yeah, man.
Alright. I freewheel, man. So take up
So-
the net.
If you want my bicycle, you can't come here.
Yo, Winston, come on, man.
If never one thing, me with a...
Mobby. I'm friend, Mobby, I go. That's a Mobby and father. I'm friend, Mobby. Mobby and boss. Come in.
Sorry, picture them there. I'll take back.
Yeah, man. Yo, left passenger alone, man. Warm to you. There's some America.
Big man. Watch out, man.
Brother, move first alone. Passenger alone, brother. Warm to you, brother. Left pillar, brother.
Watch out,
Yo, come in, brother. See bus,
Yo,
brother.
watch out, man.
Yo, see bus.
Watch out, alright. So watch out, baby girl.
Brother, man.
Come with, watch out, baby girl. Come with. No, man, you have to go with him. Watch out, man. Them man. No, man. Watch out. One pillar can't work, man. Give me. Let's come now, baby. Jesus Christ, baby girl. I am most.
Come in here, man.
Yeah, the boss said,
Go
nah,
on
go
in,
nowhere.
my friend. Go on in, I'm friend. Take up a seat. Yo, go on in,
Man,
man.
nah, go nowhere.
Yo, go on, man. Now.
Yo, dog, I want to see the boss said, my general
Yo.
partner, man.
Take up a seat, my boss. Take up a seat.
Yo, bossy. Watch out, man. You have a front seat here. Watch out, side I want hot girl. Watch out, man, side I want hot brownie.
Man behind your own.
No, I want to watch out, man. Watch
Yo,
out.
Mobby.
Baby girl, you're wrong, proud.
Mobby.
I'll film my film.
Mobby, where's the Mobby? Yo, from yesterday, owe me some money to you, know, man. From yesterday, owe me some money, you know, man. Me load. What?
Eh?
Mobby.
One already, 2 on drive.
I'm friend, Mobby.
One already, 2 on drive. Why road thin in the area, yeah, man.
That means say people ain't turn up, man.
People them turn. Baby girl, you ready? No? Alright.
More beer, more beer, more beer.
My side, Moby. Stage. No there, alright. Take it easy, here.
No man, that man not gonna know man. I must
Nah,
say,
you say, am I where you go, my friend?
you see, I walk in for you go, you know.
Walk shower.
I walk in for you go and that man here, them I go make it time.
Jesus Christ, you know the whole of people in business, man.
What you expect, sir? You want to go a woman yard? Eh? Man, die.
More beer. More beer, more beer, more beer.
I'm over here, go, mommy.
I'm friend, more beer. Where's that? More beer, my friend, more beer. Where you go?
I'm up. Watch
Where you
you now.
Where you not going, man?
Listen,
All
Moby,
right.
watch you now, watch you now. You know, come. You not ready?
I'm on,
Yeah, man,
I'm
yeah,
on,
man,
more beer,
yeah, man,
more beer. More
Alright,
beer,
that's all right, that's all
Where you
right.
go? White House.
Why road thin?
But,
You know, come,
alright,
mommy.
so one Petersfield taxi right, so come on now. Yo, brother, just left you man alone, brother.
Watch you now. Mommy.
No,
Me have a front seat for you, mommy.
she good.
Eh? Moby, me a go, man. Eh? Anyway you want to go? You want to go south right now?
She good, man. A bad she a go, man. Alright, that's so she good.
Why we are going, man?
Over this. Alright. Yo, Russian no give one money for give me. Russian no give me money what Russian. I mean, man, I'm here. Russian give money for give me. I go like you don't want give me money, brother.
Dog, I'm hustle, man. Oh, yeah, though. I'm going to see nothing now, make.
More beer, more beer.
Tin. You ready, out?
Why evening I look sticky?
Ready? Eh? Father, man. Now if you ask, oh,
I'm friend, more beer, you go.
Come in.
I'm friend, more beer. Hello, no go home, no man. After hours now, go home. Where do I go?
See a flight here, baby.
The bus, home I go.
Yeah.
Alright, don't forget home, man. You don't want to know that's so late at evening time.
Yes, man. Writing out here, writing.
Go on home. I'm friend, mommy. White House.
Moby.
Yo, Seabird.
Sorry.
See, look where you go, man.
So, oh, yeah, admire my eyebrows, so. See your one them pretty too. Come, man, what you say?
No, man, left my friend. No, man,
Hold on.
let me no, man, come on, no, man, I'm for passenger this
I
time.
mean, for seeing a lady.
No, man,
I'm most a lady. I mean, for seeing, you can't stand me them way there.
Come here. Come.
All half me I make you pay. I mean, for seeing a woman, you can't stand me them way there. You really gonna go with them, man, yeah?
Come on.
Them man, you're frozen, you know.
Am I right? No, don't mention. What up your seat, yeah, my friend.
Well, go on. Them bus are not going nowhere.
Come on,
My bus have been more passenger.
yeah, just give me 50 money, make me go on here, man. Yo, you owe me friend yesterday too, you know.
Bus have been more passenger. Moby.
That's how you go on, man. You always want to take for my passenger there.
And take it easy here. Safe travels. Yeah, man. See them can't stop. Why? You think you load your bus before me?
I'm friend, Moby. Moby, my friend.
No, she not go Moby, man. Airport she go. Airport I go, right?
Where you go, Ton?
One and ready, two and drive.
Moby.
Moby settings. Comfortable ride, cock up your foot.
Boy, I'm hungry and I'm like a cow in calf.
After a hard day work, mommy, you want to go sit in and sit down in a little luxury and go home? No?
Yo, me I can go in.
Nah, go Moby. You man the road rough.
Yo, me I can go in.
Hold on, me I try to make it the last one and I make it push out.
I'm friend, Moby.
My side.
Moby. Where you go, my friend? White House.
No, baby. Sure. Make it get a
Alright,
comfortable
cause them
seat, you know.
passengers
Right side and drive.
they can't make patty. Them passengers can't style me out there, you know. Look for me.
My side.
None of them passengers can't style me out there, you know.
Road roughy,
Let me
man.
tell you that. None of them can style me. Oh.
So you making enough we can buy food?
Yeah, man, ready, man. I look so. Yo, I can't go to paradise. Come on. Just come on, man. No worry about where we are, man.
Like a place, certain place.
Yo, look more here, man. No worry about where we are. Come on, man.
2 bills a pound for yam. Yam over here so for 2 bills a pound. I baby love you, bye. 2 bills a pound for yam. Alright, next time. Next time, my love, next time.
Yo, I feel like if we buy the cash pot, we will make money.
Cash pot.
Yeah, we must can buy a little cash pot.
You know, mix up cash pot business.
Yo, so where we go?
Where we are go?
Oh, yes.
You never come and say it?
Oh, which part?
You don't know yes, sir?
No, man. What is
This place is where man come and be nice, man. This is paradise.
Yes, my paradise.
You see here, so? Any money you have, you know, can make you happy. Yeah?
So,
This is-
I know borrow come for borrow money, yes, sir.
Borrow money? No, sir. This is original pink house. Yeah? You have money for you?
Me nah lend you no money in the ocean.
No, man. We not borrow no money, man. You have condom? You have condom?
Yeah, I think I still have money.
Very good, very good, very good. Very good. Are they going? Come in. Come in, man. Let's be nice.
Ocean, you sure?
Come on, man. Arm to you, man. This a place, you know, man. Ears me I come and say, you know. Pink House boss. Hello?
Why, Busha? I love when you come in, but you come late.
You come late, so you say nobody not available.
Only 3 girls available, you know.
Only 3 of them available? One who available.
Think I want a little medium one, I want a thick one, I want a big one in there.
So,
Talk with you.
alright, more I want for fame, you know.
You want to?
Yeah. But watch out, I must say, me have some, me must say, I 5th time I come now, you know, so you say, when the 5th one, me get it on a little cheaper price.
Well, alright.
Mom.
8 grand for your room. I give it 7 grand. No lower than that.
Free room.
Mm-hmm.
But I must say, I never so much, you never normally charge me so much for
Listen
room,
me,
man.
at Christmas time I come now. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
Light bill I get higher. Some
Alright,
extra money.
alright. No worry yourself, man. But him line up some money for me.
He must go pay 8 grand, you know. Because him just come.
Yeah, man, I just registration fee. So it extra $1,000 for registration.
I know, me no know what talk about.
Alright.
Him new to the game,
Yeah.
so. What you say? Ready for them?
Yeah, man.
Me go for them.
Alright. Don't worry yourself, man. What you worry yourself for? You have money for you.
Christmas I come and want some money to fix that backside door and come get yourself ready and press put yourself 2 man out there so.
With money?
Then I must with money, girl. Look here. Let me tell you this.
Come on, girl.
You know what this name? This name is
man we have money here.
No broke man no come here.
Man, you talk about money. You know, $8,000 for that spit.
Don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself. This place is... Listen, you're gonna get your money's worth. Yeah? Don't worry yourself, man.
No, money, stop it.
Yes, when you see them, got Pink House boss, always have the finest ladies. When you see them, don't worry yourself.
Who's broke man, is it?
I don't deal with broke man.
Go
Come.
on.
The money is mine, baby. Hi.
Hello.
Me tell you, say you go like them. You go like them. So what introduce me now?
Alright, this is Camille. See, butter and cheese.
Fluffy. We are talking about.
Butter and cheese and that is roly poly. I want them to roll you. So which one you want? Pick your choice, all of them nice.
Well, you know how me scared of. Hey, I don't want to.
Take one.
Yeah, man.
No.
Like,
Newcomer. Which one of them who you want because my man I love it fluffy, you know.
pick no man.
You feel
Where
like
I do
you
pick?
shy, you're shy. You know to this. Like you feel
Anyways,
like,
how they go eat? You see?
Alright.
How they go eat? Come on. What's your name again? Roly Poly? Alright.
So which one you want? Pick which one now? You have time, you know, man. You can take anyone. Fluffy, go on with him.
Grab my aggressive, yeah. Let's come.
Stay with him, Fluffy. Come. Yes, sir. Next time. No, you don't put in there, sir. Come in your stuff.
Listen, Roly Poly.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Me know, so me normally pay the boss.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? So, I want your price, you know.
You really want to know my price?
I mean,
Give me a 50. Christmas will come up.
50?
Yeah.
50?
I could go 100 no. But sure you come here after me take a 50 a fight.
No, you know, say honestly, me never really come with too much money. You know, nothing better than that.
No. A business me I do me can't.
No, I understand your business here. So just take off something, man. Me a hard working man, you know.
I'm a hard working woman, you know, if I work me have to put in there, sir.
No, but what you know? Even if you give me upon a price, you know, next time I can make it up, man.
There's no next time.
So,
And no, today, tomorrow, or next time. Alright, now we are deal with so 50 now. Take it or leave it.
Take off your clothes, no? Take off your clothes, man. When we done do it, me tell you the price. Come on, that shit. Come. Come on, that shit. No, no, no. Hold on, no. Jesus. But hold on. Move your hand, no. Just wait, no, what your name? Just wait, no. You don't hear me name out there, sir. Come, on that shit. Where me go, hold on. Come, ready.
Get ready.
Right now. Ready right now. Pull your pants.
You can deal me a little bit easier, nicer.
Come, on that sheet. Come.
Which part of it go?
Pull on your pants, no?
Jesus Christ, I did me so.
Pull on your pants.
Wait no. Aye. Wait, I need the so. Jesus Christ. Keep my ass.
today a Black Friday, you know. I mean, I have them the money, them. Just do something for me now.
You see me I celebrate Black Friday. You see me go buy nothing. It's like how today a Black Friday, I know the price will go up.
Roly poly. Look. But you know, I'm in here in Busha, you know. Everybody around us know me, you know.
Take it or leave it. One of them.
Me not
You
really-
take
me-
it or
honestly,
you left it.
Me not really have the money there still, because I never know say as them the price there. It there, you know. Because the last time I come around here, I had 5,000.
How much you have?
Me have 5,000.
Eh?
5,000.
You really coming here, so? Come buy for $5,000.
Then that's the normal price. Me normally.
Go on to Carmel or Fluffy go ask. Go on with them the money.
What you know?
50,000 and up. Nothing.
No.
Not even 20. 5 grand. You're a joker. You don't want
Me
nothing.
understand, you know, I respect your service. You deserve it more than that. But I just $5,000, man.
Enough woman out there sell for 500. Like, you can't go and write this. So no come here with it. Go on.
Roly poly, you don't have to be so
One.
salty with me, you know.
Go on. About 5,000. Not even 20. You do.
So me can't get nothing for it. Me can't get that nothing for it.
Me look like a sweet girl. Do I look like a sweet girl?
So roly poly. Me, you know, no service we offer. We can get for the 5,000.
Yeah, one service me have, you know. You can give me 5,000 if I buy a drink and get the hell out of here. That's the only service they here. So if you want to buy me a drinks, that's fine. But anything else, 50 and up.
So alright, what me get with the 50,000 then? Why come in?
The whole package.
What's the whole package?
Anything you want. But you see, give me 100. Let me see, 100 I can maybe get me can go home with you and spend the night. And you get free in the night and in the morning too. But now if you know 50,000, you know you will get. You always come here.
Alright, roly poly. Let's see if nobody on a better price. Because this price is ridiculous.
Yes, go on.
Alright.
Go on.
Take care. Sorry for waste of time, here.
Yes, with a 5 grand sale.
Alright. Big boss.
Oi! Yeah, I say.
You know what say? You know what say? Come and me talk to you.
Money I talk about, you know.
You know, say you man on this, I tell me one price, I mean, I like.
What kind of price that? Remember, say the girl, they make them price, you know. Me no business about them price. Me only business about the room.
You hear me say no? You hear me say no? You know, say me a man, me always a comment. And you know, say me always spend money. But then the price, me can't spend them the price. You know, no better.
Well, all no books is still in our room, and I feel girl that day. But one man having like, you know, saying something good to him and lock him down. And one day I can't take him. Head part kind of right it, so I can go out with him.
So you say name?
I can't make him, but I can't go out with him. Just go out, don't cheat.
Carmel.
Oi, business.
Hi.
Hello. You say his name Carmel?
Yeah, cornmeal.
Cornmeal? Okay. How much I go for? How much I go for?
Much to say you have now, what you can do for yourself? Talk to me nice, because some money me are looking in the end.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, badness come on.
Me want little. 3,000.
3,000?
3,000.
Put something up on that, man. Me have one nice little special, one nice little 5 grand combo. You talk to me nice.
5,000.
Yeah, everything. They say.
Alright, probably can't work with that.
Forward, no man. Now you talk to me now. Forward. Yeah, go on. You have condom?
Yeah, man.
You better come.
Condom, go
Me
on.
have my condom as a matter of fact.
Yeah.
Me I use mine.
Oh, you have your...
Yeah.
Alright, Pink Boss, look more here. Alright. No, but we don't have no problem, man. Thank you for your time again. Here. My broke self. Alright. Jerry, I want to Jerry. Come on, man.
Places I can't come.
I'm to my youth.
What kind of places I can't come, my youth?
What go on? I'm to you.
You're rough.
She rough.
Rough dog. When the first time treat me bad.
You might have a cool bump to backside. Brother, you're a man, brother. You can't make that little man.
She slapped me.
Alright, yo. Let me tell you. Tap a ball. Let me talk to you. You see? You see round and stuff? You have all kind of one. You see? You have them for all different reasons.
Why one way and you want to kill me, get?
Me? You know, since I pick if I pan and go gone in, but she not give me no still. But she have a ridiculous price of then I work. But me get a better deal. But as me I say, you pick that but yeah man. What she do?
She slap me.
She stop ya?
Force me upon her.
What's that? I say, yeah man, you know man, then you know say you go pan a machine like that, they must be prepared.
I know something see it in a movie.
You watch too much show man. Come on man.
You can't tell nobody, you know.
No sir, me not, you know say me not tell nobody brother. Run and stuff is paradise. Watch your man. Brother.
Today was good.
Yes.
Punanny. Oh, him still there asleep. Awesome. Oh, what? You must spend extra money?
Look, so.
Oi. Wake up. Where are the number place, eh? You have spent extra money? You have spent extra money? Eh? You have spent overtime, this mean over money. Come out and place. You get too comfortable. That's why your name Pink House. Look here, if you don't have money, don't come here, you get too comfortable. Hold on. We need to talk to you first.
What happened?
Look here. You say Christmas will come.
And?
You don't want to go home with some money? Eh?
Don't worry about me and money. My money live.
Listen to me.
Me have two rich somebody who come. Me can't take them the broke look at 5,000 away. You look like me a 5,000 a girl.
That me I said.
Stop it over there saying no. Look here, me charge 8 grand for the room. And whatever price you want to make for yourself, me no business. But you must try to see if you can work so money can Christmas a come.
Look
so
here.
if it's a 5 grand you take, you need to know if you start out your thing. So if it's 5 grand you say for 2 minutes, you make sure say him come in 2 minutes. You understand me? So if you do 3 man, that is 15 grand for the day, and if you do 1 more, that is 20 grand. How much money you can make for the day?
Me don't tell us something already. Me not deal with the little man them we only have 500 or 5,000. If I get one 15,000, 20,000 or so, more to say nothing. But $5,000, come on now, bossy. Come on, man. You can't do better. Me know you can't do better.
Exactly.
You get all 8 grand for your room now. Just a room, you know. And you want me to take 5 grand for my property?
Listen to me. Me know say my room look good. In there look good. In the proper and set up right. Air conditioner, everything in there. So you must know your word. If you're something good, you must price it. You understand me? But you can't do overcharge. No, it's not so your work. You can't do overcharge. Not on my time. And me alone do overcharge here because current bill, light, water bill, land tax and all these things. And me have to pay it. You understand?
I true enough I girl them when you have your cover too, you know. And then one of them are crackhead that you are crackhead making go like them the boy there, you know.
Yes. So me have to start get some more crackhead here.
Exactly.
Because it's too expensive. So
yeah.
Like the crackhead girl will just go. Me have to get 2 more and she and me could go on.
So
yeah man.
Do that now.
Because you want to start my food. You want to start my food because when you hitch up here, you are take up space in.
Let me tell you something now. I hear something there and me not live so till me say me where they live.
Oh, you understand? Let me tell you something now. And me at the boss here is part my and me at the boss and me tell the time everything what's going on here. You understand me? Let me tell you this. This place is mine. So if you not make me make no money, you have to go. Remember me tell you that.
Get rich man and then you get all the money in the world.
You don't talk. Me don't talk.
Come here, boss. Come here. Alright now. Why you not get our man with have more money?
Here.
We are woman, you know, we need money, you know.
Me no control the man them come here. Me don't control. Any man can come here. How me fi control the man them come here? All thing me no want know say no mad man no come here. Me no know them pocket.
Well, I need to go out and try find out them budget before.
But no, wait, no. But I be a broke man, I can come here. Only one where me, he broke too.
Me can man come here. Me only put up the sign pink house, so it attract man. Me never say broke man. You see broke man pan it.
I broke
talking true. The other girls them when they here.
No.
Why uno so sad? Look on the other girls them when they here. I be a big food them chop. Why uno can't chop big food too?
Are you passing up?
Look on Sandy and Mackerel and them the girl they. Be a big food then chop.
Go do what they want to for it.
But I mean right now Johnny in the room same way, you know. And me know say when Johnny come out, him a give me one extra 5 grand for my money. So who am to uno?
How much you make for your body? How much you make for your body?
Me not depend sale and money me collect.
Okay.
Exactly. You not do nothing.
No go on.
But this a game I should have give you real money for you, man.
Me not give nobody my money. I come go and like say. Actually don't know say me I'll go little with him and make him man put him out of here so when I pay rent for, you know. Exactly. He better calm himself. Cause me go little with the man for free and make him put him out. And calm himself in that room there.
If I do real money, me just have everything for the idea. Cause I don't know why she a go on so.
You're good for. Seriously? Every minute you come here, you eat out the fitness nuts. So what you for have to eat?
Sister boy, no one can rank with me. I'm telling you. I think I know that I would waste time. When you give money in there, what do you think we give money for?
Now listen to yourself. You're crazy? Me I talk about you eat out the picnic snacks every single day. What you for eat? If I you a feed pan our food. And you're not even day or night time. What you there road at one night time? Huh?
You know what? I'm telling you this. I'm telling you this, sister boy. I'm gonna feel like shit. You can't disrespect me now. You think something there road at night time I waste time? Me I try for hustle. So me can take on to yourself and get some money. You think not there waste time? Huh?
You're damn right you waste time. Me not think, me know that you do.
All I do is make nice in here. That's why I'm not telling you, you know. Because when time me there road and I walk and I come in here, I'll be nice.
So you not move out now?
Right.
Move out now?
See what you pay attention to. Your
my
phone.
And you pay attention to road, yeah. Is what?
Then but you have some man in there take you know.
Listen to me. I ain't no argument with me. Like I said, stop eat out my picnic food. Me picnic food. Stop eat it out.
No.
Walk, please.
I'm gonna walk around.
Yeah, go on now. Where the money there? You for left money. Where money there? Yeah, walk at night time. And if me thinks you're idle. Alright, so you walk, you come home now. Where the money there?
You still get money. You still get money. The money when they have, I spend it on a
Bicycle. Not even one little car. One Pro Box, one AD wagon. We have a child. You feel at least start drop our
You don't say I want bad, you don't say I want bad man, no man.
I
Yo.
can't bad money for bicycle.
As soon as me buy a bicycle, now you start to have problem. Eh? No progress me I make. What you think me I do? Me did a walk I know me buy one bicycle. What problem? Next me forget probably can buy one bike or something. Yeah?
Me ask you if you could have saved enough for buy a car. Me can bad money for bicycle. What more ride up and down with you on bicycle for me look like clown? Yeah, make money and yeah, hide it. And that's the issue, yeah, hide it. And you never have money for give me yet for me or the picnic. And that me I talk about.
So me forget money. Look punish now. Me for go out to work. So hard. And then me come in. And something. All me get is cussing. No little loving, nothing at all. And then me say me have a woman live with. Eh? Me can't even get no pum pum from him. And you come in and argument with me. Hey, listen to me now, Sister Vi. You alright, you know.
You need for her, but hold on. I like me say me ain't no more chattings with you. But you have to left money today. That's all I know. You have to left money today.
Sister Vi, me not no money, man.
You
me did want borrow one money from, cause me not no money for pay no fear. No
Borrow
tax.
from who?
Yo.
You see bicycle where you buy? Take it ride it. And if you can't ride, push it go work.
Yo, tell Jesus I'm not there.
Where you hide from Jesus for?
Just tell him I'm not there, man. Tell him I'm not there. Busha! 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 Hey, Busha ne? Eh?
Jason, but I had to repeat myself, I'm not there.
So, are you on there?
No bother with, no bother with.
Hey, me no bother. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Stop, man. I can't believe you're foolish, you know. My auntie come visit, I can't let her eat.
Which auntie that is?
My mother's sister.
Your mother's sister?
Yes.
What's your name?
Shirley.
Come in, no.
Jesus, stop now.
You
You
know-
can't come in.
I feel me, you know. Eh? Watch it.
Stop now, you know.
Hey.
Like,
Eh.
stop.
Yeah, Busha, I see him thing, you know.
Stop with that fool.
I be a chicken and chick me. Come on.
Man,
I'm coming in your house.
Jesus, stop. Stop.
I'm
As
coming in
much
your
as
house.
I love you, come in. My auntie here.
So she not good.
Yes, later.
What time?
I don't know, come check me later.
Take me one time, no man. Come on.
No, around 9, 10. You can't come by 11.
No, I come.
Late night, you know. Chill with it for a while. I won't care.
So Busha not come back then.
No, I'm not care. Want to spend
So
time
yeah,
with
man.
you.
Want money. Now
I
walk up.
understand.
Walk
I
up.
don't know why Busha borrow money from me. Honestly, I can't do nothing about the
Yeah,
situation.
you know, so regular I do this, sir.
Me know.
So like, you know, give me now if I work out, you know.
So me, to pay you myself. Back to where Busha do.
No.
What you tell me for?
Eh?
What you tell me
I
for?
feel we working, sir,
The time
man.
we are spending for me and you. Enough to pay back Busha debt.
Okay.
Now use me.
Alright. Me take that one there and me come back and check Busha.
Anyway, so you come check me later.
Mo I come, no.
You can't. Stop it now. Stop it now, Jason, man. Let me make you come back later, right?
Later. 11 o'clock. Eh? 2 knock, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, I want Busha, yes, man. Wait. So me I come back later, you know. I have to get to work, you know. I work out for my money. You know what I'm saying?
Him gone. Yeah, him gone. You see you workless. You just a walk around and a borrow money. You borrow money from me, you know. And you go borrow money from Jason. I know about 3 other people you borrow money for a little bicycle and a little old brook.
Sister boy, calm down, man.
I calm me down.
You hear me I say no? Me don't want nobody to come on my yard so early, you know. Because when time I go borrow the money, me never go on the yard so early and me don't want nobody come here. So next time, just tell him say no for come back when me not there.
You face the panta by too, you know?
You hear me?
You borrow the man money and I hide in my house. And have the audacity. Fear talk about saying no for coming yard early. You pay back your money? I want my money where you take from me.
Want which money? Sister boy, watch out, man. How me I go survive? Eh? Remember say me I hustle, you know, man. And when time my money come in, you know, you spend it and buy food, you know. I market a work, you know. Them the little money the way I come in with, arm to you.
Don't touch me. Bush, you ever stop it? You ever stop it? People are gonna kill you, you know. Remember, I'm tell you this.
Alright. Someone can give me a little pum pum then.
Listen to me. You're not getting none. Listen to me. You ever stop walking by the people and stop stay down at transportation center.
So,
you not do nothing for yourself more than walk and buy the market. Remember me tell you this.
And me, I load bus money I feed you, you know. And I take care of the bills, I mean, so I try to say.
I'm grateful.
I saw pump me forgive me.
You're too workless.
I'm to you.
Not touch
you think
me.
I work hard for nothing? Eh?
Push I go where I go. Go on the road now.
When time I come in and want like a pump me, I can tell me, boy, you're tired of.
You still a chat.
You forgive me pump man, because you think I work hard for free.
Everything a pum. You can't take care of me and you can't take care of the picnic. But pum, you want every other day. It cannot work. It can't work. You have to go do something. Because right now you're not doing nothing for me more than borrow. And that's for yourself.
Watch out. Miss Sister Boy, come here, man. Sister Boy, look here now. I'm gonna bring one of them chocolate ice cream the way you like it. Yeah. I know you like it, chocolate ice cream, man. Watch out now. I want shot, man, I like a funds. Yeah, man, I shot, man, I like a funds. Just beg you a little money. You so get it back.
Man, I have it.
Sister Boy. Remember say on Friday tonight, you know.
Me, nah have it. Make it even worse today on Friday. No food, no day in the house, you know.
Sister Boy, I see when you put down your money in there, Sister Boy.
No money in there, no.
Watch out. Look. Sister Boy. More set up a bicycle, you know. You know, things I'm want to carry a Negro girl, want to carry it on the little beach. Promise you.
Don't disrespect me. A woman like me for the on bicycle with you.
Watch out. No, don't worry about that, man. We so buy a car, Sister Boy, man. Don't worry about that, man.
Busha.
Watch out. Want to carry go down a Negro on the beach, on the sun.
Busha.
Go drink some pina colada.
Busha.
Hey, come down, girl.
You're not telling me nothing what to make me feel good right now.
Look now, man. Just give me money, man. That's the bicycle the wheel I'm want to buy.
Go put on the bicycle. I don't have any money.
Sister Boy. So come now, man. Me know say have man. Me see
I don't have any money. You're not getting any money. I go buy food today, Friday, tomorrow, Saturday. I need grocery. I don't have any money. And like me say, I not a pum. Go on where you go.
Come like stay on my place. Eh? Yo. Wagwan. You know say me buy them wheeler from somebody. But they not good. So, I left them over here. You know what I know say? The one born it. After me borrow some money from him, I tell him some one buy the wheel them. See? Come on my yard. Early. Me not like them sitting there, you know.
No, man, I dirty style like man. So you man come here so early for?
Because me borrowing money and I tell the man say me so give me it back, brother.
Yo, dirty style them, man. Man, fi set appointment and then I come off with them up.
Right now, me here, man out there, me here, my woman, I laugh. And I don't trust that woman, you know. Me not trust her. You must she laugh. And then, me I wonder, if that's one of the reasons, she not give me no pum either.
Boy, I mean, I wonder if him really share him there. You know, say. You serious, you know? What you gonna do about it?
Hear me I tell her, man. Me I watch her, you know. Because I say if she ever make me get mad in this place, a problem, you know. If me ever know say me I work so hard, I carrying money coming here, and for she, I lay down in here and I have man for me. You will hear about it. Because you know what, I lose my temper, you know. And she don't want, yo. Hear me I say. Just lend more money there till so till me I go down and stop there. When I come and stop there, you can link me. I go down and park there early. Me have a little something more on there. Just lend me money there.
Me flat like a tire. Flat,
I saw you going in the dog. You see you?
Me flat, brother. Then you know, sister, we not load no bus. Some too much bus. Like you see that, brother, man. You know, see that? The pressing that's why I never like come out today right so early. Me I go here to catch up, build up a little bit.
Alright, yo, look come on, yo, just get your over here there for me.
Alright, man.
Yeah.
Watch what I go on, man. You see?
Yeah, man, just put your over here there.
Alright. I see you one over there now?
Yeah.
I don't watch man. Watch one thing here. Alright, yeah, man. Turn on my yard.
Where you go?
Excuse.
Oh, wait, sister boy, what is this?
What do you mean, what is this? Me not stay in here so with you.
Sister boy is...
You not have nothing to bring to the table. Me tired.
So sister,
Can't do it no more.
sister boy, what all of this for? Eh?
Can't do it no more. I not have time for you go back and forth with them. I can't. You not bring nothing to the table. The money where you make, where you're supposed to use it for provide goods to we. It we are depend on. You take. I got pink house. And I spend the money on them girl they down there so. I buy front. Busha?
Wait, look, pink house, me don't know nothing about no pink house, sister boy. Sister boy, look, me don't know nothing about no pink house. We are talking about pink house.
Busha, I see the smirk on your face. Do I look like I'm joking? I go down a pink house when my ear say down there. But by the time I reach your left, and they never want to let me in there because them know.
Sister boy, man look like man, you know, sister boy. It's not me.
Sure.
I wasn't done by no pink house.
As what me say.
Sister boy, listen, this not call fine, sister boy.
Sorry. But we can't depend on you.
Listen, sister boy, look. Come on, me talk. We can't make this up. We can't make this up, you know. Listen, me never go down on no pink house. Me I tell her the secret. Me I tell her the God that's living truth as me still right as a sister boy. Me never go on no pink house. And nobody can tell her say this. You see me down a pink house, sister boy. Me not even know no pink house. Pink, I be a green, blue, and yellow and orange looking color house about the place. What kind of pink house you talk about, sister boy? Me, Busha, then tell us say Busha, a pink house. Eh?
Busha, you got jokes. You got jokes. You do nothing for me and my child? That me ask you. You do nothing for me and my child?
Sister boy, what you mean? What you mean if me I do nothing for me? Then what me I do? Me not work. Eh?
Busha, you buy front. You and your friend. You bring your friend them go pink house. So whenever you want go there, me get my facts straight. Busha, me an idiot. And me not go turn you so with your and suffer and dead for hungry. Me go back a country like me say, this through it. We done. Find the next girl for call out.
Sister boy, look here, sister boy. Look, sister boy, just
I said, stop it.
We can't
Do
talk
not
about
touch
this,
me.
sister boy. Look. We can't talk about this, man.
Busha, I said don't touch me.
Nobody draw their attention. Look. Come.
Busha, let me go. Busha.
Just give me the bag, man.
Busha, let me go. Let go for the suitcase, Busha. Let go.
Sister boy, this no call for, man. Me just look, no sister boy, no call
Busha.
for. Look.
Push out, I say it
Sister
now.
boy, me love you, you know, girl. Me love you, you know, man. Stop that, man. Me love you, you know, man.
Me
Stop.
can't eat love. Let go.
Sister boy, stop that, no, man. Look, sister boy, man. Look, man. Me nah take this, man. Me nah take this, man. Me nah take this, man. Just stop that now. Stop that, man. Me nah take this, man. Just come over, come go and back over, man. Where you be so far? Me nah take this, man. You mean for them that somebody have to tell us that to me a pink horse and you're gonna live for that sister boy? No, but no, man, sister boy, man. Do better than that, man.
Give me my suitcase. Give me my suitcase. I am not staying with you. You're workless. Give me my suitcase.
So
Push up.
After all these years
Push
and
up,
all
give
these
me
things, you're gonna tell me something worthless, sister
Push up,
boy.
leave me alone.
Sister boy.
You can't go and go buy all at the front where you want to buy.
Sister boy, no make nobody tell us. No, sister boy.
Push up, leave me alone.
No, man, no,
Leave me
man.
alone.
Listen, sister boy. Stop no, man. Stop no. Listen, please, sister boy. Sister boy. Look, no. Look, man. Look, man.
Push up.
Please, man. Look, no.
Push up, let go.
Left your back, man. Left your back. No, man. Left your back, man.
Push up.
No, sister boy, man. No, man.
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Sister boy, you really are doing with this, sister boy. Then I say, I behave. Sister boy, look, no, man. Stop, no, man. Stop, no. I'm money have make you behave, so alright. It's alright, sister boy. It's alright. You're gonna see me rise back. You're gonna see me rise. Oh. Everything good, man. I'm money have, man. Yeah, you see, a fool she take me for.
Yeah, see, man.
Eh?
Yeah, style up.
I said she see me do, man, and I lie, she I lie. Not go so.